For the crazy plane. Where's the is there any wind?
No, I mean you're good. Any direction.
You know, I'll bet you can go any way you want to go.
Let's do that. This thing's a hot rod. It doesn't care anyway.
Exactly. That was the first flight on the new pack.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Yeah, you don't want to
work them the first few
times.
Kinda cleared.
And they don't really have power
until like 10 or 20 cycles, then they get really good.
They give you like 20%.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Gear up, flaps up.
You should. They're awesome. Is his website Hobby Stock?
No, it's rcjuice.com.
RC Juice. Oh, that's right. That's right. Race set.
Yeah.
Like juice, like J-U-I-C.
Yep.
Exactly.
RC Juice. Do they come with connectors?
They do. In fact, he'll solder whatever you want on it for free. He does a great solder. Master solder guy.
I'm gonna get the street car over there.
Yeah. 650 for it. Then for his trailers, how about 680? And then you still save. Oh, I see. You can get them because they'll be in boxes. Yeah, you make me want to get a. You know who's selling an F-5 right now? Is that dude? It's a black one. You saw it?
Oh yeah.
Fluffy scooch, doesn't it?
Yeah, this thing moves. Santiago from Sacramento, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, they're all. About those FMS, you're getting 4.5, right?
Yeah, I fly at the 5,000, so I don't go too crazy, but the battery doesn't ever come down hot. Even when I pushed it, it didn't come down hot.
Yeah.
Did you see that flight where I was flying with Frank and forgot my timer?
No.
And
Ran out of battery?
ran out of battery. I was coming right over the runway, downwind, and everything cut off.
Oh.
So I had to do I did a split S down to the runway and came in.
Maybe scoots right around.
Question is, which way is the wind?
4.
Is there any? Because I think it's cross again, right?
Time expired.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. So let me just choose a direction and land.
I've always thought the windsock ought to be out there.
Yeah. The wind whips around a lot here too. It keeps changing.
Yeah.
Might come from the right.
Wow, look at it. It actually.
Gear down, landing flaps.
Yeah, I'm gonna come from the right, just to be safe. Give me more run out.
Land right to left.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
It's almost dead cross right now. What little there is.
There we go.
There you go. Nice. Nice job.
Thank you. Fun playing.
All right, you guys, have fun. Time for you to go.
glad I ran into you.
Yeah, I'm glad we got to see each other.